Okay, I was able to get the temperature gauge installed. The problem with the leaking was I failed to notice there was a second 5/8 inch bushing here that needed tightening to seat the probe and to keep the coolant from coming out. And I started the tractor and see if I can get it up to operating temperature, and I got it up to about 110 degrees. The tractor does not have a thermostat. Thermostat goes into this housing, I believe, right in this area. And I know it doesn't have one, and I've been inquiring as to how important it is for this tractor to have a thermostat. Thermostat usually takes them up to 180 degrees, and in a day, modern engines need high operating temperatures to ensure proper lubrication from the oil. I was able to get the touch control system fully functional. These levers here, and change the oil in the touch control system. Hydraulic oil, it was really nasty, so I got clean oil in there now. And I was able to run it for about 20 minutes, and it ran really smooth, with the exception of an oil leak over here by the filter canister, and it just has a bad O-ring that I need to replace. I'm going to start the tractor now and run it through a few engine performance tests, charging, touch control, so you can see the results. So there you have it. This touch control system works really well. I said in the previous video, it's really stiff. Also notice my throttle. I can pull it up to high RPM and it throttles up fairly quickly, but when I throttle back, there's quite a delay, and I don't know what that's all about. I'll do some research and figure that out. All for now. Final note, the touch control hydraulic temperature sensor that I need to install, I've got to do that, and it goes down here in the reservoir like so. And if I'd been smarter, I'd replace that during the time I was changing the oil, but I don't always think about those things. Also, during the testing of the touch control system, the right side throttle is incredibly stiff. So that's telling me that I need to pull this assembly apart and probably rebuild it, sure the rust is gone, properly lubricated. So that'll be a couple of projects on the list. All for now.